Hello and welcome to UDISE Plus. In the last video, we covered Section 2 Physical Facilities, Equipments, Computer and Digital Initiative means 2.1 to 2.19 means Toilet Facility. If you missed that video, you can click on the I button at the top right corner of the page to watch it. In today's video, we will learn how to fill DCF 2.20 to 2.3 under Physical Facility and Equipments in Schools and DCF 2.24 to 2.8 under Computers and Digital Initiatives. Let's start with DCF 2.20. Specify the availability of facilities such as tinkering lab, etc. In DCF 2.21, provide details about whether boarding or hostel facilities are available for various stages or levels. Next, in DCF 2.22, enter information related to school laboratories applicable only for higher secondary sections. Then, in DCF 2.23, specify whether the school has the following equipments. Once all details are entered, click on the Save and Next button to proceed to the next section. On the next page, DCF 2.24 to 2.28 Computer and Digital Initiatives. In DCF 2.24, enter details about computer or digital equipment's status such as total number of functional units available, number of functional units used for pedagogical processes. In DCF 2.25, specify whether the computer ICT lab is available in the school. If yes, enter number of ICT labs available, total number of functional desktop laptops in all ICT labs, etc. In DCF 2.25b, specify whether the ICT lab is available under Samagra Shiksha. If yes, fill in the details such as the year of implementation and whether the ICT lab is functional or not. Please note DCF 2.25b is only applicable for government and government-aided schools. In DCF 2.26, mention whether the school has an internet facility. If yes, specify the type of internet connections available. In DCF 2.27, specify whether the school has digital learning facilities such as e-books or e-contents and enter the number available. After filling in the details, click the Save button to complete the process. That's how you can fill or update your profile and facility data on UDISE Plus. If you face any issues during the process, please contact your technical team or MIS officer. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you for watching.